Today we're going to be talking about the Cartesian coordinate system. Now I'm sure that you've dealt with this before, and it typically takes the form of something that looks about like this, where it's got the y-axis and it's got the x-axis. And a way that you can remember this is y in the sky, and well, the x is the other way. I don't know if there's a fun rhyme for x, but so let's say that these are just labeled 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. You will typically see pairs like two numbers that are in parentheses like this, separated by a comma. And what this means is, well, it's a coordinate pair, which means that if you have an x value, let's say 1, and you have a y value, let's say 2, you go to your coordinate system, your graph, and go over 1, and then up 2. And this would be where your point is. Now, it's relatively easy. We'll just hop into some of the examples. Consider the following. It lists 3 points and it wants us to plot the given points on the graph. So this first one is A. We'll label that red. The second one is B. We'll label that blue. And the third one is C. We'll label that yellow, actually. So 2, we go over 2, and then -6, down -6, right here. For B, it'll be -6. So we go over to the side, -6, and we go up 7. This last one is 7, so we go over 7, and then it says 0. So it's just going to be touching right here. So A, and then B, and then C. It's giving us, for this second question, it's telling us to consider the equation and the following ordered pairs, 2y and x -1. And then it gives us an equation to deal with, to plug these in. And basically all we're doing is algebra. So if we know that 2 is x, because it's going to be x comma y, we can plug in 2 for x. So 3 times 2 plus 3 times y equals 6. And we want to solve for y. In the first one, we'll solve for x in the next one, which should get you 2 comma 0 and 3 comma -1. Let me move that up a bit. Consider the following equation. X plus 5y equals 12. Determine the missing coordinate in the ordered pair 4, comma, question mark. So that will satisfy the given equation. Now you'll see this phrasing quite a bit with the, so we'll satisfy the given equation. Basically this just means we want it to be equal. We want it to be a true statement. So we want something that when x is 4, 4 plus 5y is equal to 12. We want to find something for y that will make this statement true. And this is just more algebra, which you should get 8 over 5. So 4 comma 8 over 5. And that doesn't simplify any further. Yep, fairly simple. If you have any questions, please let me know.